This conference will now be recorded.
How are you guys?
Good, Shilpa.
Good. How are you?
Shilpa, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So let me share my screen. So is it visible, guys?
Yes.
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 Yes, Shilpa.
So today we are going to discuss about TestNG. Okay. So what is TestNG? It's a framework, open source testing framework. So NG stands for next generation. Okay. So it is a framework, guys. Okay. So testing framework. So what are the advantages why we use TestNG? So usage is that like it provides annotations. Like we have different annotations. I will show you if we go to TestNG. So this, if we go to documentation, we can see like different annotations here at before suit, after suit, before test, after test. These are the annotations. So this provides like for running our test cases in a different ways. Okay. So let us see these things after uh, in the later sessions. So what is the use of these annotations? And the second advantage is that it's going to give the emailable report. So we can generate the report also, how many test cases have been passed and how many are got failed. So we get the report also. That is the second advantage. And third advantage is that we can give the priority for the test cases. So like which are the test cases needs to be run first, second, like that we can give the priority. And the fourth advantage is that we can group the priorities, like grouping up of the test cases. We can group the test cases. So we can run, like if we give a group with a name regression, so we can give the in the suit we can run only the regression test cases. And if we give smoke for some of the test cases, we can run only those test cases. So that is grouping. So this is one more advantage. And we also have like a data provider annotation, like for we can which will provide like data driven testing. So we have data provider annotation. And sixth advantage is that it also supports parameters, like we can parameterize. So we will discuss all these things. Okay. And yes guys, so these are the main advantages of TestNG. So why we use TestNG for all these things. Okay. So how to install this TestNG? Let us see how we have to install this TestNG in our Eclipse. So open the Eclipse. Okay. So if we are using Maven project, then we need to add the TestNG dependency. If you don't want, like I don't want Maven project, I want to write a code in Java project only, then we have to go to help. Okay, so we have to install the TestNG plugin in the Eclipse. So go to help. So you can open the Eclipse guys and you can try, and then go to Eclipse Marketplace. So here you type TestNG and enter. So here you can see TestNG for Eclipse. So in my case it is already installed, so it is showing it as installed. So in your system you will be you will be enabled with the install button. So click on this install button, and the plugin will be installed guys. So this is the one method. So if we don't want to go with the Maven project, then we can install the plugin. So are you guys are able to install the TestNG? Go to help.
This is for Java or Maven?
So if
How
you
it's,
don't want to go with a Maven project, then you can install the plugin from the marketplace. So
but
if
we
you
have
have,
Maven plugins only. Java we didn't install, like the Chrome drivers were didn't work with that. We are doing in a Maven only. Maven dependencies we have added.
okay. So this is the one method guys, like you can go to help and go to marketplace, Eclipse marketplace, and TestNG. You have to like add that plugin, okay, install that plugin. So this is the one method. If you have a Maven project, then you need to add in the pom.xml. You have to add, so here you guys have to add this one second. Go to Maven repository and TestNG. So click on the first one. So you have dependency here. Copy paste this dependency inside dependencies. Okay. So it is a new Maven project in mine. So Selenium. So you guys able to add the dependency TestNG. Go to Maven repository and type TestNG and click on first one. And here you can find it. I will share this in chat also. Add this dependency in the pom.xml file. Then save it.
Yeah, actually there is a huge table I don't see
Mhm.
any dependency in this. I go to Maven repository.
Okay.
Once again,
Here
I'll
type
try.
TestNG in the search box,
Yes.
TestNG, and click on search. So first one, click on first one.
Yes.
And in that 7.7.1, you can click on first one, 7.7.1. And
Okay.
here you can find down, right? So just
Yeah.
click on it and Control C and paste it in the dependency here, pom.xml.
Okay.
So inside dependencies, you have already added Selenium HQ and everything, right? So after that, you can add TestNG also.
Shilpa, if we go with Java project, after installation of TestNG, some pop-up came like trust. Do you trust unsigned content of unknown origin?
Okay. So just click on next.
Select all. Select all and trust selected. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
So after adding dependency, you can save the pom.xml file. So I'm going to create a new class. Okay. So I will give it as TestNG demo. So here I'm not going to take this main method. I will just click on finish. Inside a class, we are going to write the methods, and for that we are going to provide the annotations. So I will show you what is the use of annotations, guys. Okay. So why we use annotations? So let us say we have a method, public void, like login method we have. So login. So I will just type as of now. Okay. I will type like login successful in the console. So here before the method we have to like the line before the method we have to provide our annotations. So this is our test annotation method. So this annotation will run the test cases. So whatever test cases we write, we have to write it in a test annotation method. Okay.
Shilpa, I have a
Mhm.
doubt. I installed the TestNG plugin, but I did not see any folder left side
No, you
on my.
won't find anything there. Actually, if you right click on the project, if you will see the TestNG here.
No, I did not even see that TestNG folder on left side. When I check in the
No,
environment.
this I have created the project here. So you have to
Okay,
create the project.
okay,
So go to file, new, new, other project. So here you will be finding TestNG.
okay, okay, got it.
Here you will be finding TestNG. So you can create a TestNG class. So this is the project name I have given. Like it is not a like Maven project I have
Sorry,
created.
Shilpa, could you please repeat that step, how to create TestNG class?
Okay. Go to File, New, Other. So you will find TestNG here. In that TestNG class.
Okay.
So this is for if you are not using Maven, you can do like you can create a class like this. If you are using Maven, then pom.xml dependency, add the dependency and directly you can create any class.
For
So let us
Maven
see the
project, how
discussion.
can we confirm that we install TestNG for Maven project?
I will tell you guys. I will tell
Okay.
you. So
Yeah,
if you write also you can see here also new with the other you can create directly TestNG class also like I have created Java class itself for explaining you can create the TestNG class also like I will show you once. Where is TestNG? Yeah. So TestNG next. So here you can see the annotations directly. Here I am manually writing in the Java class, but here you can like click on any methods if require you can take it. So I will give the class name as let us say demo2 testng. So then click on finish. I can create the XML suite file also like testng1. So this is the XML suite file also we can create. Then click on finish. So this is our TestNG class. Okay. So as of now, I will explain you in this only. Okay. So here, if you write a test annotation, you will see that add TestNG library. So click on. You guys have written this code, right? Take a
Shilpa,
simple class. Yes.
yeah, in Eclipse, I am unable to using Maven project, but I could not see the test engine after adding the dependencies. Um,
Okay. No,
yeah,
you won't
so
see anything like you won't see any this thing as of now.
okay,
Create a
the
Java
test.
class
Uh-huh.
with any name and after that you can write this code.
Okay,
I have copy pasted it. You can write this code. So if you write a test annotation, if you hover on that, you will see add TestNG library. Getting it, guys?
Shilpa, in XML suite file, when we are adding the TestNG class, what we need to write?
Where? In the
X
pom.xml or you are telling TestNG XML?
TestNG class. We'll create a class, right? In that, we'll
Yeah.
write
You
class
will
name
get
and
if you take suit, you will get a TestNG like this. I have given the name, right? TestNG. This is the file we will get. So this we will explain it later, guys. This is like if you want to run TestNG classes, so we require this file. So I am going to explain this later in the later classes. Okay. So today we are going to see about the annotations. So why we use annotations and everything. So there is a lot more. It's a framework. So there is a lot more things to learn. So this TestNG suite we will use in a different ways. We will use for like group functions we want to run, then we use it. Like what if you don't want some other test cases, like don't want to run the test cases, then we can exclude those test cases. So we can write here, like we can write the tags and we can uh, do all those things. Okay, so we will discuss that thing later. So we will first write this code with a Java class or TestNG class also you can write. In this also you can write. So you are getting it right. If you hover on that, you are going to get add TestNG library. So just click on that. So here you can see TestNG. So all the libraries got added. And if you hover again on the test annotation, you can see import from the org testng.annotations. You can import the annotation. So just click on that. So it has been imported. Okay. So let me run this. So you will get, if TestNG is installed, you will get, like if you right click and run as, you will get TestNG test. Okay. Run as TestNG test. So in the console you can see login successful typed in. Okay, so here you can see the results, like total tests run 1 and passed 1, failures 0, skipped 0. So here if you go above, you can see passed login. So this is the method. Login is the method that we have given here. So this is the print that I have printed, right? Login successful. So our test case is passed. So let us say we have another test. Okay. So we have another test. So public void logout. So here I'm just like, I'm not writing any code, guys. In order to show, I'm just printing out. So I will say logout successful. So we have two test cases. So which one will run first? So whether this test case will run first or this test case will run first. So how, yes.
Login?
So if I give, hello?
Yeah, first one.
The first one. Login.
Yes, because this TestNG will run the test cases in the alphabetical order, guys. So in order to make it simpler, I will give this as B login. I will, for this I will give as A login. So which one will run first according to the alphabetical order, right? So which is going to be run first?
A logout.
Yes, A logout will run first and then B login. So in the console, we will get logout successful first and then we will get login successful. So let me run. Yes, guys. So passed two test cases passed. So here you can see logout successful has run first and then login successful. So, but we want login to be run first. So we don't want logout to run first. So I will rename again to login and logout. So for that we have in the TestNG priority parameter. So we can give the we can prioritize the test cases, like which has to be run first and like that. So I will give priority is equal to 1. So this test case will run first. So our login test case will run first. Okay, I will give the same names uh, as before in order to get understand. Okay, so now you can see I will give this priority is equal to 2. So now this B login will run first because it is overwriting, like it's not going to run by as per the alphabetical order. So the priority is given the higher preference. Yes, anyone can say the correct class timings. 8:30
It's
IST. Yes.
8:30, including weekends.
Weekends I don't have an idea, guys. So I have to check with the Priya only.
Same time.
Okay.
Same time, 8:30 only.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
So now B login will run first with a priority 1 and A logout will run second. So we get login successful first and then logout successful next. So this is the importance of TestNG, guys. So yes, I will increase this. So you can see login successful. This test case has run first and then next. So you understood regarding the priority, guys. So why we use priority?
Can you please repeat once again?
Yes. So if you don't provide any priority, let us say I am not providing any priority. Okay. So I have two methods. So I have login method and logout method. So I have given the login method with the name blogin. Purposefully, I have given it as a blogin, or I can give like okay, user login. Okay, I have given it as a user login, and I will give it as, or else I will give it as yes, user login and admin logout. I will give. Okay, so which one will run first as per TestNG without priority?
Admin logout.
Yes, but we want login to be run first, right? So whatever the method names we give, uh, it should not run as per the method names, because we will further we will not be knowing, like there will be thousands of test cases. So we don't know what is the method name and we cannot give it as a alphabetical order. We cannot remember that, right? So for that we have to, like which test case we have to run first, we will give the priority like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So it will be easier. We need not to remember what is the name given for the methods, right? Whether we have given it in alphabetical order or not. Right, guys? So for that we use priority. So here I am giving priority is equal to, so I want login to be run first. So user login. So I will give it as a priority 1 and I will give priority is equal to 2 for the logout. So after logging in only, I want to run the test case with the logout, right? So this is the priority importance. Got it, guys? So anyone is having any questions? You understood about the priority, right? If you have multiple test cases, so we have to prioritize which test cases we want to run first. So for that we use TestNG with a priority parameter. Any questions, guys?
So TestNG is the framework or
Yes, it is a framework. It is a testing framework.
okay.
I told, right? It is a testing framework. What is TestNG? It's a open source testing framework.
So this is to prioritize the methods, right? Methods before the main
Yes,
method, which we write
yes.
before the main method.
No, we
So
don't
it
use
is
main method
okay.
here. We write our own methods. We don't use main method.
In TestNG only we use our own method, not a main method.
Yes,
And
our
like
own methods we are going to write and we are going to give the annotation.
prioritize.
Yes.
Prioritize as well. So this is the
Yes.
purpose of
So
TestNG.
these are all only test cases I have explained now. Okay. This
Okay.
is only with the at test annotation. Like we have different annotations in TestNG. Like
Okay.
we have at before suit, at like at before suit, like all before all the test cases, this is going to run.
Okay.
So like this, we have different annotations. I will explain one by one.
Okay, I got it now because I know I joined late. Thank you.
Okay.
Shilpa, Shilpa,
Thank you.
after we are doing that downloading TestNG, and we
Hmm.
while writing the code, we'll import something, right? And that import,
Yes,
when
if
we'll
you write
scroll,
at test, yes, if you write at test,
no, import something like create record something, or you told create annotations.
yes, we have to write the annotation at test.
So
So
by
you
getting the
got the
class,
library, right? You
we,
have added the library, right?
I think
Yes, I
she's
added
talking
the
about the
library.
package you have added.
Under the
Okay.
package, the next line import something is there, and the scroll, when we'll roll over, what we need to download.
You can share your screen so that others can also, like, if anyone is not like, I will make you as a presenter. Vanilla, right? Yes, Vanilla, you can share the screen. So others can also watch. If you have any doubts, you can ask here. Yes. Yes, if you hover on that at test annotation, so you have added library, right? So you are getting a TestNG here. You can see in the left side.
Okay.
After your package, you have TestNG libraries. Down, no, left side, left. If you left side, in the packages, you can see the project side.
Above March 17 folder in the
Okay.
packages side.
Yeah,
Okay.
above March 17, you have TestNG library.
Yeah.
Yes,
Mm.
these are the libraries added. Okay.
Okay.
So hover on at test annotation again. Hover on that. Yes. Yes. Wait. No. Hover on that. You. Yes.
I'm not getting it.
Okay. We have already imported. I think.
Now
Yes.
I
Import.
got some.
It's okay. That is fine. We have already imported. Then what is the error? Test cannot be resolved to a type. Okay. Remove. Like uh, remove the cursor from there. Okay, public void login you have written
Mm.
everything correct.
I am asking about here import.
Yes. Why you are getting the type org.testng annotation test is not accessible. Create class test in package org.testng. So why you are getting that error? So save, Control
Sorry.
S, save, just save the project, Control S.
Yes, I
Okay. Again the same thing. Okay, create a new package.
okay.
So you have taken Java. Okay. So
Java.
okay, go to help marketplace, Eclipse marketplace. You have downloaded the plugin, right?
Yes.
Okay. Help. Uh, has it opened or
Mm, yes. Installed.
it is showing installed?
Yes, it's showing installed.
Okay,
Test
right click
engine.
on day 21. Right click on day 21.
Okay.
Project folder. Project folder. Yes. Right click.
Yes, I did it.
Hmm. No. Right click. So you can see TestNG there, right?
Yes.
Down before properties.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on convert to TestNG. You can see convert to TestNG, right?
Yes. Can I change this name? Otherwise, the test name
Yes.
I kept as test.
Okay, you can change. Okay. Click on next.
Okay.
Yes. Click on that checkbox. Day 21 SRC checkbox. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Click on finish. Okay. So now you remove one test engine or like import. Remove the line number 3. Yes. So save it now.
Okay. I
Again
did
it
it.
is showing.
It's showing the same.
Okay, right click on day 21 again. It's converted, right? Converted to
Yes.
test engine. Right click.
Again, I need to do convert to test engine.
Yes, you can. Again you can. Same thing. Leave it like that only. Same thing.
Okay. Again, I'm getting the test name as test. I changed it now, but I'm getting.
Okay. Next. Finish. Already
Override.
exists. Okay. Okay. Uh, no. So go to SRC and create new class. Create new class. You can create the TestNG class also.
Okay. Here, do I need to select this public static void, right?
No, don't select that. You just the name you have given is wrong. Name, TestNG, no space.
Okay.
Yes,
Finish.
finish.
Okay.
Okay, now write the code. No, just copy paste that and you can.
Okay.
Yes, you can copy paste. Yes. No, not last bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hover on the test annotation. Add library you got. No, it's not there. Okay, you add JUnit library also. I just yes. Okay, hover on test again. No, JUnit is not required. No, for me it is not showing anything. Okay, create a new Java project.
Okay.
Create a new Java project, file, new, yes, Java project. You have restarted, right? Once the plugin is
Yeah.
installed, you started
Yes,
the
I
Eclipse.
restarted Eclipse.
Okay, yeah, give the project name. Sorry. So right click on that,
Mm.
testing,
Pack.
TestNG, convert to
Okay.
TestNG,
TestNG.
convert to TestNG,
Convert to
convert to
TestNG.
second one, yeah, convert to TestNG. Leave it the test name as it is and click on next.
Okay. Then
Click on
does
finish.
not.
Okay. Now expand that.
Okay.
Expand it. Okay. Now SRC.
Okay.
You create a package, or if you have default package, then okay, all that is also okay. Or you can create package.
Yes, I created a package. I want to create a class, right?
Yeah. Create TestNG class. No, not. Okay, you can create
Hi,
there also.
Shilpa, how to plug in TestNG, like with the help of
Go to
that
help.
marketplace? Okay.
In the help, you have Eclipse Marketplace.
Yeah.
So in that, after opening that, you have to type TestNG and click on search.
Okay.
So you will get TestNG there with the install button.
Okay.
No, don't give any name, vanilla. Just
No.
give finish.
Even the suit file also, I should not give anything.
No, it's okay. You give also, it's fine. Yeah, finish. Click on finish.
Okay. Okay. But
Yes.
still I'm
Now
getting this.
hover on it test.
Okay. Add
So
TestNG
add
library,
TestNG
right?
library. Yes. Now you are getting add TestNG library.
Hmm.
Now at test, hover on at test. Remove that line number 3 first. Remove that line number. I want import, like import. Yeah. Save it. Control S.
Yes.
Yes.
I
Now
did.
hover on at test.
Hmm.
Why import is not coming? For me, I am getting. Okay. Why you are not getting? Okay. Down add requires so module.info.java. Remove that module.info. Delete that file. Delete that class. In the left
This
hand
one.
side, module info. Yeah. Down.
Okay.
Yeah. Right click. No, just right click on that module info.
Okay. Delete.
Delete it. Okay. So now hover on it test. Import. Yes.
Oh,
That is import test. Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Thank you so much,
This
Shilpa.
module info class, sometimes it creates it not only in TestNG, in
Oh,
every, like if you create Maven also you will get module info class. So you have to delete, guys. This you keep it in a mind. It will create some errors. Okay.
okay.
So
Thank you,
not
Shilpa.
only in TestNG, everything, like any framework you create, delete module info first. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, you got it right. So shall I share my screen? And we will look into before test and before method annotations. So we came to know about priority, right? So we will write uh, uh, another method with the at before test annotation. Okay, our method will be, so before test one, what we need to do, we need to launch browser, right? We need to launch a browser, or we need to launch a URL, right? So I will type launch URL. Our method name is launch URL. So this is our test case. This is also test case, guys. We are going to launch the URL in this at before test annotation. So you need to import this annotation. If you hover on that, you will get import from TestNG. And after test annotation, what it will do, I will show you. So after all the test cases, what I want to do, like I want to close my URL, right? So close the application, or you can say close the URL. So sysout closed application. Okay. So what this after after test and before test will do. So these before test will run before all the test cases. So first launched URL will come in the console. So this test case will run first, okay, before test, and after this, these both test cases will run. So first user login as priority is given according to the priority, this will run first, and then this will run, and after all these, after test will run. So after all the test cases, we will get closed application. So let us try to run and see in the console. So passed with the two test cases. So these are all not the test cases, guys. Before test and after test, this we are going to run before our test cases. So it is showing only the test cases are only two numbers. Okay. So past is also 2. So here you can see. So launched URL. So before test, this has run first, right? So after that, login successful and logout successful. So these are the test cases, right? So these both test cases, it got run, and after that, after test, this closed application, this is executed, right? So I will show you in the okay, I will show you here. So launched URL is, what is this test? This is at before test, right? And this is our first test case with a priority. First test with a priority is equal to 1. And after with another test case with a priority is equal to 2, right? And after that, after test has executed. So these before test and after test will execute after all the test cases have run. Before test will run before all the test cases. Okay. So after test will run after all the test cases have been executed. Getting it right, guys? If you see another operation, you will come to know how it is going to work. If you see like before method and after method, you will come to know. Okay. Yes, someone is asking something.
Yeah, when I'm trying to run the application, I'm not getting this TestNG option.
Okay. What you are like right click and run as?
Yes, when I
Yes.
click on as, I'm not getting that TestNG, run as TestNG.
Okay. So you have taken the Maven project or is it a Java project?
Maven. I have added
Okay.
the dependency.
Okay. And you got this library, you added the library, right?
Yes.
Okay. You have imported the annotations, right?
Yes, import org.testng.annotations.test. It is
Okay.
import.
Okay. Right click, run as, and you are not getting this TestNG message.
Yes, TestNG test. I am not getting that. I am getting only these run configurations.
Okay. So right click on the project file
Okay.
and you can see TestNG here, right?
No, Maven. only. Restore from local history. After that, I have seen only Maven.
So you are not able to see the TestNG here.
No.
Okay. Who is the Kavita, right? You can share the screen, Kavita. I will
Okay.
make you a presenter. Okay, you can share the screen.
Okay, one second.
So other than Kavita, Vanilla, everyone can get all these things, right? TestNG you can install and you can add the dependencies, right?
Yes.
Guys,
Are you
are you
able to
able
see
to
this?
do? Yeah, it's visible.
I think Shilpa, I have missed something. I could not see the Eclipse Marketplace only in the help section.
Okay.
Shilpa, can you please say us from first onwards, if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So open the Eclipse, Kavita.
Yeah, I have opened.
Eclipse, we cannot see the Eclipse that is open.
Okay.
We can only see this. Yeah. Now getting it. So guys, go to help. Go to Kavita. Go to help.
Okay.
I
This
just
is a
wanted to.
Maven project. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
If
Yeah,
it
it's
is
okay.
Java, then we should go for the help, right?
Yes. If you
But
don't want like Maven project, then you can go for help. And here you can see Eclipse Marketplace, right?
this is Maven project, Shilpa. Okay.
Yeah, no, for the other guys who are not able to
Oh,
see,
yeah. Eclipse Marketplace.
I am showing them Eclipse
Okay.
Marketplace. So who was telling that he cannot see that Eclipse Marketplace?
It's me.
Okay, still you are not getting that uh, Eclipse Marketplace.
Help
No.
here.
I think so.
Okay,
I messed with something with the Eclipse. So
okay, reinstall the Eclipse once again. Okay,
okay.
and you just check. It will be there. Like you, you guys can get that Eclipse Marketplace. So click on that Eclipse Marketplace, Kavita, and after that, after opening Eclipse Marketplace, you have to go to like type TestNG there. So is it opening, Kavita?
Yes.
It is. It will take time. Okay. In
It
the
is
meanwhile,
open.
you can.
Could you see it is TestNG for Eclipse. Install option I get.
Okay, for us, it has been shared. I suppose. Fine, let it be. And
Okay,
okay,
one.
you delete apptest.java.
Who, me? You're
Yeah,
asking?
Kavita.
No.
Yeah, got it now. Yeah, you can see guys, like if you go to Eclipse Marketplace, you can see TestNG for Eclipse and you can see the
This
install
one.
button there. Yes,
Okay.
so I have to click on that install.
So I'm not supposed to do that, right? Because it is a Maven project.
No, it is not mandatory. You can install it because in further, if you feel that I don't want to do Maven project, I want to go with a Java project, then it is better to be installed. It's not mandatory. Yeah.
And should I install now or?
No, for Maven project, TestNG is not required. If it is a Java project, we need TestNG, you're saying?
No, no.
Yes, that is yes.
Because it's
It is not
already a
mandatory,
framework,
guys.
right?
I'm
Maven also
telling.
a framework, right? On second.
Yeah, Maven is also framework. TestNG is also framework.
Okay.
And yes, Maven. It is not mandatory that if we use Maven project, we need to add a dependency only. We can install it from the Eclipse also. It is not
Oh,
like we have to add the dependency only. If TestNG is installed, then also fine. It's not a problem.
okay, okay.
Hmm.
So we can keep two frameworks. That's not a problem. Anyway,
No,
if you
no,
are going
no,
to
not
work
an
in
issue.
Maven,
No,
it is
yeah,
not required.
yeah, it's going to work with the different multiple frameworks. It's not a
Okay.
problem. Yes.
Okay. After installation, we can create a new Java project and we can start writing that automation, right?
Annotations. Yes.
Annotations. Okay, sorry.
Yes.
Okay, we
So
will
here
try
I
that.
have added the Maven TestNG dependencies. Is it the right place, right?
Yes. Yes. So what is the issue that you are having? If we like create a Maven also, we are going to get TestNG suite.
When I'm trying to run as, so I'm getting
Hmm.
only run configurations. Here I'm not getting TestNG option.
Okay. Try to close the Eclipse once and
Mm.
again open it once again and try to create a new class. Okay.
Yeah, I closed and opened the app, Eclipse app.
Okay.
And new
Try to
class.
create a new project, new package, and new this thing. You will get because I have shown you. Yeah, you will get it. It's not a problem.
Okay. If we create a new project, then we are again need to add the dependencies for that project, right?
Yes, yes. Add libraries, add dependency, and import it. So,
Shilpa,
guys, I will share my screen.
When they are taking Maven class, can you please share that video? I think it's March 17th.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
so I
guys,
don't know how
we
to
have
add dependency
already
also.
uploaded in the LMS. You can
Okay.
check in the LMS. Okay.
LMS, I know I don't have any details about that. Can you please share that?
Okay, you have enrolled, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
In
Okay.
LMS
Here,
Shilpa,
Okay.
we have only two videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, guys,
I
we
don't know how to
will
add
share.
dependency in Maven only.
Okay. Nothing, guys. Like you have to go to form.xml in
Okay.
here. You can add in between after like JUnit you have, right?
Yeah,
After
yeah, yeah.
JUnit you need to add. That's it. Like copy paste from the Maven repository and so I will give this code
Okay.
for today. Okay, and you guys can I will share it in chat. So practice on this, how before test and after test and how priority is to be given. So you can
Shilpa,
look into
please,
this.
I need to select a quick start archetype, right? Here,
Yes, yes.
start.
Shilpa, before leaving, just help me out to fix this my Eclipse because there are so many problems in it. If you have time before leaving, just help me out.
Yes, sure.
It is Apache only, right? Apache Quick Start Archetype.
Yes, Quick Start 1.4. You have to click on that and click on next.
You have to add dependency for TestNG also.
Yes.
Okay.
So Selenium you have to add first and then TestNG. So
I'm
I
not
will
able
share
to
the
find.
dependencies also, guys. 1 second. I will share the dependencies. I will copy paste from, okay, dependency. I will copy paste these things. So yes, these things you have to add, like TestNG, Selenium and Selenium server. You have to add. So Ajay, you can share your screen. Ajay, right? You are having issue. Hi guys. Is it audible,
Yeah,
guys?
I have no issue. Yes.
Okay, I will make you as a presenter. You can share your screen. So 10 o'clock we have a batch again. So we need to. So go to help. So what is the issue?
You can see my screen.
Yes. Go to help. Yeah. Okay. Why you are not Eclipse Marketplace? Okay. It is not there. Check for updates. Any update is required, like down you can click on check for updates. Updates, yes. Yes, you need to update it, I suppose. It is not like you can reinstall it, you can download it again from the Google, the latest
Okay.
version. It is not updated. That's why it is showing, yeah.
If I select in this next, it will be getting updated now.
Yeah, click, it is better always. Okay, click on next. Yes, click on finish. Yeah, it is showing some error. So it is better you download the new latest version, uninstall this Eclipse and install it again.
Before it was showing like, I don't know why, like, um, I launched something. I don't know.
Okay. So I think it's getting updated. You can down in the down you can see
Hmm. Updating,
it is
yes.
in progress. Yes. So check after like completing that. Yeah, restart.
Continue.
Yes, continue. Yes. Now go to help.
Yeah, I can see
Yes,
now.
you can see Eclipse Marketplace. Yes. If you type TestNG there, you will get install button. You can install it. Yeah. So guys,
Search, right?
today, yes, search.
This one, install.
Yeah, first one, install. Click on install. So we will end up the class for today, guys. It's already been late. Okay.
Confirm.
So we will discuss. Yes, confirm. Click on. Just go. Click on next, and there
That's
is
it.
nothing. Yes.
What is this? Do you trust? Cancel.
Yeah. No. Click on always trust. Select all.
Yes, I
Yes.
accept.
Accept. Yes. Trust selected. Yes. Yes. Restart. Restart. Yes.
Okay.
So guys,
Conference will now be recorded.
have a great day. Okay.
All
Yeah. Bye, guys. Hello.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
Shilpa.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.